Hey, what's up, guys? So, we're only about 5 months away from the launch of the iPhone 17 models. And today, we're diving into the iPhone 17 Pro and iPhone 17 Pro Max, specifically focusing on the major battery upgrades. Trust me, you'll want to hear about this. So, let's get into it. We're hearing some exciting news. The iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max are about to have the best battery life we've ever seen on an iPhone. I'm talking about outlasting the iPhone 16 Pro Max and even outpacing some of the top competition, like the Galaxy S25 Ultra. That's a big deal. But why is that? Well, it starts with a thicker design. Yes, you heard me right. The iPhone 17 Pro Max will be slightly thicker than the 16 Pro Max, meaning more room inside for a larger battery. This could finally push Apple past that 5,000 mAh battery mark, something we've been waiting for. And it doesn't stop there. The iPhone 17 is getting a brand new OLED display. It's gonna be even more efficient than the one in the iPhone 16 Pro Max, meaning better battery life when you're actually using the phone. And inside, we've got the new A19 Pro Chip, built on TSMC's 3nm process. More performance, but even more efficiency. So whether you're gaming, browsing, or just texting, this chip's gonna save you power. My favorite upgrade, though, Apple's working on their own communication chip for the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max. After the success of the C1 chip in the iPhone 16, we're getting a custom chip that handles 5G and Wi-Fi 7. The result? Even better battery life, and yes, Wi-Fi 7 means faster speeds with less power drain. Now here's where it gets wild. There's a possibility that the iPhone 17 could feature a new carbon battery. This is still up in the air, but if true, we're talking about a thinner, lighter battery with even better performance. Think Oppo's N55 Fold with its 5,000 mAh carbon battery. Imagine that inside your iPhone. So, what about the release date and price? We're expecting the iPhone 17 to drop in September 2025, right around when Apple typically releases their new phones. As for pricing, it's still a bit uncertain due to potential tariffs, but I'm guessing the base iPhone 17 Pro will start around $1,000 and the Pro Max at $1,200. But what do you think? Are you hyped for the iPhone 17 models, or are you waiting to see more details before jumping in? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and bell so you don't miss any updates on all things iPhone. All right, guys, that's all for today. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.